I want you all to know my career and my life. Oh, there are people, sa ngayon, may mga tao na nanonood sa Quadri Square and Plaza Mayor. Quadri Square and Plaza Mayor. I want to greet all of those who are watching. I'm so impressed with what I see tonight. Marami na akong napuntahan ng mga alumni homecoming, anniversaries, but this has got to be the largest one. Ang tawag sa akin, Mr. Pure Energy. Pero nais kong sabihin sa inyong lahat, it has nothing to do with the movement you see here on stage. I will be as bold to say that today I stand on this stage old enough to be your father. I'm 46 years old, and I'm sharing you this because I'm just so grateful and so thankful that after 27 years, I can still do what I love to do most. The last time I was in UST was over 20 years ago. It was a great experience for me. And sana, if ever I have the chance to come back, it doesn't have to be this big, but it can be just as meaningful. So mga nakatayo, beyond the boundaries, God bless you guys. Ito ay isang awitin na sinulat ko na siguro may dalang mensahe para sa kung ano ang nilalaman ng puso ko ngayon. UST, if ever you have another event, big or small, please remember that there's an artist by the name of Gary Valenciano who'll have his hands up like this to offer his presence in the event. At siyempre, pag sinabi mong Gary Valenciano, nandiyan din si Paolo Valenciano. And there's also Gabriel Valenciano.
Oh my God!
Iba siguro kung pamilya kaming lumabas sa isang entablado dito sa UST. I wrote this song a long time ago.